Yo, what's up guys? Rocky Resale here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the Jordan 1 A Ma Maniere. I'm so excited to be unboxing and reviewing this shoe for you guys. I want to be giving you guys a close-up of the box, a couple details of the shoe, and maybe a little B-roll for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we're going to hop right into it. So kicking it off, I'm going to start off with the outside of the box. This box is a very, very nice box. Of course, it's an A Ma Maniere release, so they had to do a little bit different of the box. This is going to be the size panel of the box. Has an A in the corner. And this box is going to be like a sailish off-white color. And it does have two layers. If you guys have ever had the Travis Scott lows, this is what the Travis Scott lows come in as well. They have a plastic little outside. I'll show you this. So the Travis lows also come with something like this. It's gonna be like a little shell. The Space Jams come like this. There's a couple of shoes that come with this plastic outer shell. It's a really cool detail. We got a brownish Nike and Nike swoosh on the top. Then we also got the A Ma Maniere Jordan logo on the side. And as you can tell in the video, this box does look the sailish or off-white color. I'm really digging the colors of this box. It's a very simple and clean box. But now let's hop right into the actual shoes. Alright, and pulling this shoe right out of the box. Ooh, this shoe is so beautiful. It already has reminded me of the A Ma Maniere 3s. Ooh, gotta give it that smell check. God, I love the smell of Jordan 1s. Probably my favorite shoe. You gotta smell your Jordan 1s. Everybody, if you're a sneakerhead, you know that Jordan 1 smell. Man, I'm loving the material on this shoe. It's not a leather or anything like that. I'm not for sure exactly what this is. It almost feels like a nubuck that has been sitting for a really long time. The material feels almost flaky, and you can tell if you look at the shoe up close and in person, the shoe has like a flaky paint look to it. So I'm curious if the uppers will start to flake after you wear them, if they'll start to peel away or flake off. Very cool little detail. It makes the shoe look aged. Honestly guys, there's so many details on this shoe just pulling it out of the box for the first time. This is my first look at it as well, and I am just amazed by all the details on this pair. When I first seen it in pictures, I was kind of disappointed because I thought it was going to be a pretty basic A Ma Maniere Jordan 1. But now that I have it in hand, I'm actually really liking the details on these. So something really simple that I just seen that I didn't notice before is going to be the inside of your little heel flaps. So the outside is going to be that painted flaky material, and then the inside is going to be like a maroon leather, same as around the ankle. The ankle is going to be almost like a snakeskin leather, same as the Nike swoosh on this pair. Your Nike swoosh on this pair is going to be a snake skin. I don't know if you can see that too well, but that is a snake skin on the Nike swoosh. Your Jordan 1s do come with a Ma Maniere leather tag. That's going to be the Jordan 1 hang tag. Has a little A on the side, and then on the other side has the Air Jordan wings. So looking at the inside of the shoe, just like the Jordan 3s, it's going to be like a silk material on the inside. You can see it's going to be like a silky, more luxury inside liner to the heels of these. That heel liner is actually one of my favorite parts on the Jordan 3. That inside liner just makes it look way more designer, way more luxury. And then also looking at the shoelaces that come in these, you got the maroon shoelaces, and they also come with the metal tips. So maroon shoelaces with metal tips come laced in these, which I think is really cool. Nike also gives you an extra pair of cell laces. And it's funny because the laces that come in the shoes have the metal tips, and usually the laces that come in the shoes are a little bit better than the other laces on most like luxury designer pairs. But on this pair, the extra laces also have the metal tips as well. So that's pretty interesting to me. I actually like the cell laces a lot better than I do the maroon. I think it would make this shoe I know there's a lot of cell on this shoe already, but I think throwing the cell laces in there would be really clean on this pair. Let me know what you guys would think in the comments. And then also, I just wanted to go ahead and pull the sole out for you guys, this insole. A lot of people aren't used to legit checking pairs. but under the insole, and the insole is a telltale sign if a shoe is fake or not. So I just wanted to go ahead and go over the insole of these A Ma Maniere ones. Alright, so one thing you want to look for when you're legit checking shoes is under the insole and the insole itself. So you can tell on this one, this is a real pair, so you can see all the line work and everything, and they actually added a patch right here. So this is going to be the insole of the A Ma Maniere Jordan 1, and I just wanted to pull that out just so you guys know what to look for if you ever find yourself in the need to legit check a pair of these. Alright guys, last but not least, one of my favorite details about this shoe is going to be the bottom half of this shoe. So for the bottoms we have maroonish or reddish bottoms, and then for the outer sole we have a off-white or cell colorway, and I really love it when Nike does these off-white bottoms. It just makes the shoe look a little older. I honestly love when shoes have that older or more worn look to them. It just gives it a little bit more character. And I've actually been seeing a lot of people dunking their shoes in like coffee beans here lately. You can do that to age the shoe a little bit. And if you guys would like to see a video of that, let me know in the comments below, and I might have to age a pair of shoes for you guys. So retail on this pair was $200. A little bit more than your average cost of the Jordan 1. With the details and everything added onto this pair, it does show you why the extra $30 was worth it. I mean, look at it. It's a fire pair. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. We did a little unboxing of the Jordan 1 A Ma Maniere, and man, this shoe is so clean. I'm gonna have to give me a personal in this pair. Unfortunately, this one is 11.5, so this one will be posted up on my Instagram. Or I might even decide to trade it for my size or just sit on it for a little while. I do see this pair rising a good bit. Just like the Jordan 3 A Ma Manieres. Those were super slept on for a while, and then 4 or 5 months went by and they rose up to $500–600. So I'm thinking the same thing's going to happen with this one. I think come this time next year, you'll be seeing this pair sit at around $500–600. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys later. Peace.